Hello, welcome to our new learning. This time we have another topic which is itong how to create schedule of loads na naka single phase and then line to neutral 230 volts at saka 1 pole. So assuming ito yung ating format na gagamitin, so meron tayong 6 circuits and then load description. So assuming na meron tayong lighting, outlets, small pump, motor loads, total connected loads. So meron na silang specific na load 800 to 35. And then here voltage line to neutral. So yung current din niya is line to neutral. Lagyan natin ng protection, CFB rating, wire, THWN, raceway. So before that, I have a presentation so paano yung line to neutral system. So as you can see, this is only a representation. So assuming na meron tayong yung load is naka Y connected load. So meron as you can see, meron tatlong legs. Itong R, yung red, yung B, yung blue, yellow, yun yung line 3 or phase 3. So yung phase 1, 2, 3, yun yung line to line. So yung common point nila is etong N or neutral. So if kunin mo yung 440 volts, so doon ka lang mag-tap sa line to line. Like for this one, line red to blue. So 440 volts yan. Line red to yellow. So line to line 440 volts. Line B to line blue to line yellow is 440 volts. So kung kukuha ka ng 220 or 230 volts, so dito ka lang sa line to neutral. Okay, so itong line red to itong N, so 220 volts to line to neutral. So line B to neutral 230 volts, 220. Also yung line 3 to neutral, 220 or 230 volts sila. Actually yung neutral voltage depende kung ano yung rating ng line to line mo. So nagbabago rin. Merong iba 400 volts, 440, 480. So depende rin. Okay, so yun yung concept na gagawin natin, line to neutral. Okay, so back to our load schedule. So line voltage, itong B is L to N, so line to neutral. So 230 volts all. Assuming na yung lighting natin is 800, outlets dalawang 1200, small pump 500, motor load 35 VA. So to get for the value of itong line current natin, it's just itong load VA, divide mo lang ng 230 volts. So this is 100, divide mo siya ng 230, so that is 3.48 amperes. So i-drag mo na lang the same formula. So you have sa outlet 5.22, sa small pump 2.17 amperes, sa motor load 15.22 amperes. So to get for the total, isam mo lang to itong kabuuan. So we have a total of 34.78 amperes. Okay, so after that, you can select for the circuit breaker rating. So first, itong lighting. So pili tayo mag-select sa lighting, circuit breaker na 15 amperes. For the outlet, we have 20 amperes. For the small pump, since yung load niya is maliit lang, so pwede siya sa 20 amperes. So sa motor load, since 3.5 VE na siya, we can have 30 amperes. Okay, so for the KAIC rating, merong supplier na merong actually 6 6 amperes o 6 kaik, or 10, 14, 18. So sa practice ko, yung minimum ko is 10. Okay, so 10 kaik for all. And then for itong P, or ito yung pole, so since length neutral tayo, so 1 pole lang yung gamitin natin. Ito, okay, this is 1 pole for all branch circuits. Okay, so for the size of wire, so since yung ginamit natin sa lighting is 15 amperes, so pili tayo sa 2.0, so dalawang 2.0 line to neutral plus itong ground 2.0 square mm. Yung ratio niya is 15 mm diameter na PVC. Okay, so since the same yung ating lighting, so the same sila ng branch circuit. Okay, for the outlet, so since yung ating circuit breaker is 20, so pwede tayo sa 3.5. So this is 3.5 yung line to neutral, also yung ground 3.5 din. For the raceway, so pwede tayo mag 20 mm diameter na PVC. Okay, so the same sila, i-copy lang natin for the outlet saka sa small pump. So for ito sa motor load, so since yung circuit breaker natin is 30 amperes, pwede tayo maggamit ng 5.5 square mm. So dalawang 5.5 line to neutral, isang 5.5 for ground. Yung raceway is 25 mm PVC. So if we check natin yung ampacity ng mga wires, so from table PEC 2017 3.10 .2.6 B16, so wire ampacity natin, copper wire, so sa square mm, so 2.0 at 75 degrees Celsius, so yung 2.0 is 20 amperes. Yung 3.5 is 25 amperes. Yung 5.5 is 35 amperes. So yung kung tuwid natin ng 2.0 is 15. Actually naka-metric to. So sa 1/2 actually 9 yung kasya, so sobra pa tayo. So 3.5 ang ginamit natin is 20 mm, so merong 4 na kasya. And then for 5.5, so gamit tayo ng 25, so merong 7 wires ang kakasya. Okay, so ito yung reference natin sa ating branch circuit wire tsaka sa raceway. So let's proceed for the two computations of main circuit breaker at saka main feeder line. And then for the load computations, so meron tayong formula. So high current na single phase. So itong total current 34.78. So plus natin siya ng 25% nitong highest motor rating current. So meron tayong 15.22. So this one, i-add natin siya ng 25% nitong highest motor rating, yung current niya. So we have 38.59 amperes. And then for the sizing sa main circuit breaker, so yung ginamit natin is 50 amperes, 14 kaik, and then 1 pole. So ang tanong mo bakit 50? So actually if you say continuous load to, let's multiply it by 1.25 hanggang ano lang, 48.23 at 48.234 amperes. So sa 50 amperes natin, so meron na tayong nakalatid na 80% para sa load consumption. Okay, so ito, meron tayong 10 KA. Okay, so pag yung branch mo is naka 1 pole and then single phase, so 1 pole na din yung ating main. Yung size of wire, so since 50 amperes, so dalawang 2.0, 8.0 time to neutral plus isang 5.5 square mm para sa ground. Yung conduit natin is 25 mm na IMC. So if we check natin sa table, yung ating size of wire is 8.0 square mm. So at 75 degrees Celsius TSWN, merong 50 amperes. So yung ating wire na ginamit is standard. So for the maximum ng conductors in a rigid metal conduit, so steel, so since yung wire natin is 8.0 square mm, so if we use 25 mm, merong conductors na 6 ang kaya. So since single phase, so 2 plus 1, so 3 wire lang, so meron pa tayong 50% fill. So pag 27, pag 32 mm, so 9 conductors ang papasok. So sa 25 mm is economical pa to. So that's why we use this size 25 mm na rigid metal conduit. Okay, go back to our load schedule. So we have already done, meron na tayong protection, wire, also the raceway. So meron tayong competitions also with the protection sa ating main. So ganito paggawa ng schedule of loads na line to neutral and then naka single phase. So please subscribe para kayo updated sa every time I upload a video. Thank you.